Hi guys, welcome back to Get Me Software Solution. Today I will tell you how to make your Instagram profile very stylishly and effectively. And today we will learn about how to set our Instagram profile with very stylish fonts, and let us go to topic. See, this is preview of my page. Let us try for this. First open your Instagram in your mobile and go to profile. This is the profile page and click on edit profile. Now I want to change my name and I want to decorate this with stylish font, and I want to take it. I want to copy or cut your wish. I want to cut it and go to Chrome and type font convert for fancy designs and see the fancy text generation here. And here you can paste your name or type your name, and you can see the designs here. Pick one design from this. I want to pick this, or I want to select this. Okay, I want to take a copy from this, and now go to Instagram and paste here. See, and click on right. Now it is apply on the page, and now go to the biography of Instagram. Here the view is there. It is the normal font style. Now we have to, now we will convert this as a fancy design, and by using very stylish fonts. And okay, one by one we have to pick there, and I want to select this web developer, and I want to cut and go to Chrome in fancy page and select all and paste here what you want copy from Instagram, and see the designs and copy one design from this. Okay, select the best one. Now I want to go this design, and I want to copy one and paste it in Instagram biography and paste it. Now see the result is, and apply for this and select this and cut it, and in Chrome paste here and pick the design and select it and cut, and now go to Instagram and paste here. See, the result is also apply, and now copy this and cut it now and go to the Chrome and paste here. Select this or remove it, paste here and go to the result and copy this one or cut. Paste it as usual. This is the result, and now go to the bottom line, and we want to change the design for this line, and I want to cut this and I want to change it very stylishly, and I want to select this and paste here and search for best one, right? And take it as a bold character. And yeah, here you can see the I want to set this, copy and paste in Instagram biography. Okay, right, click on right button and the result is apply now, and click on again. Here the result is like this. Here you can see my page, the name is here, and the web developer, blogger, YouTube and digital marketer, and this is the view of my page. Okay, this is the process. This is the process. This is the process to make your Instagram profile very stylishly and excellent look. And please watch my videos and subscribe my channel for latest tech updates from us. And if you enjoy this video, please give a like and give your comment below. Thank you for watching.